See the commercials all the time on TV? What'd that say?
What? Over there? Great Wolf? What?
Great Wolf Lodge. Oh!
We finally went.
Great Wolf Lodge. Take us up. 5 seconds. What? Hurry up, man. Oh, big spider. Hey, bumpers will be fun.
Dad, look. Look at my window.
Hey, you got a window just in the cabin.
Look, we have
That's
to
hot.
see from my left to bottom. And put them at the top. I can just see right here. I don't know. I know about it.
Great Wolf Lodge.
Daddy, we're that poor. You better win out.
Oh, man. It's gonna splash you, man. It's gonna splash. Woo! Yeah! Live your life. Enjoy your life. Live your life. Enjoy your life. That's a big old burger. Huh? You ready, man? It's gonna be good. Let's eat that. That's gonna be real good. Real good. Look at that bear claw. Woo! Somebody got to eat by the bear. Big old bear. Ow, ow, ow. You hungry? Ow, ow. What your ears? What your ears? Ready for another day. Hey. always had to get a milkshake. Anywhere I go, I always get a milkshake. Anybody who know me, know I love milkshakes. Ice cream, milkshakes. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like. Milkshakes. Milky.